Hello and welcome to this short tutorial how to back up your database into a MinIO self-hosted S3 database. And we will start right now with creating our template. We choose MinIO, create it, and we will select a server. If you have only one, you can select this one. We go into the domains tab and see my domains that are set up right now. We click on deployment and now we wait that the server is deployed. In the meantime, we will create a database that we can back up after it into our S3 storage. We name it test and also test on the database name. I'm very creative, I know. And now we create our database. I think our menu is already deployed. We will have a look. Okay, we have no S3 destinations, it's white. And our menu is already deployed. Now we go to in our domains. We have two ports, the 9001 and 9000. The 9000 is the right port. Now we have our login into the environment variables. It's very safe. If you want to use it, you have to change it. It's not secure. So we will log in. Yes, I know my password is not secure. And we create a bucket. We will name it backup. And yeah, no further required. Okay, we need to make the backup lowercase. And we will create the bucket. Now we go into our access keys. We create a new one. And if you want, you need to save your data over here. Click on create or download for import. Now we have a credential file with your code and your access key, secret key, and your API point in your files if you need it later. So now we go into our S3 destination settings. At the destination, we name it MinIO. If you really want to backup it, don't use it on the same server. I know it's a stupid information, but I think it's necessary to say if you want to have it, get another server and backup it there. Now we will enter our access key. We have saved it from the last step, or we get it out from our credential.json, our access key and our secret key also. Now we have our bucket. I think I named it backup. Yes, backup is the right name. We name it backup and region. We don't have a real region in the files, I think. We can name it Germany or the country you're from or something else. So I choose Germany.de. It's not a real country code, but yeah, we will ignore it here. Now we need our endpoint. It's I think it's this domain. No, it's not this domain. Okay, I will have a look. We need to use the domain of the port for the port 9001. Okay, I have not Dokploy open. I don't want to close this pop-up right now. We will open it in a... Okay. Yeah, that's it. We go to MinIO, go to domains, and we have our 9001 and our 9000. And we need the domain from the 9001. We will copy it without the port. And we will go back. And if we get the port here, test the connections, it's successfully working. Perfect. Now we click on create. Yeah, 9000 is the right port, I know. And we click on create. And we go into our database. We click on backup, create our backup, select our destination, name the backup. I think test is a nice name. And we will use a cron task to make it regular basis, and we will create the backup. Oh, okay, we get an error. Why did we get an error? No, it's nothing here. Okay. I know. If we don't deploy our database, can be backed. It's a stupid step I have missed, and we go back into the logs. Okay, now it's deploying, perfect. And if we now get into backups and retry it, I wait for the deployment, but it's done. Okay, we can manual backup successful, perfect. And in our files, we will see if we click on refresh, our sqa.gz file that we can download and back up into our database if some data get corrupted. Okay, thank you for watching, and I wish you a good day. Keep coding.